Critical update for Bitcoin, guys. We need to talk about the news from Russia, okay? They came in with a punch, guys. Potentially their central bank stating no crypto at all, no Bitcoin at all, prohibiting investments in Russia. That's a big deal. You guys remember, let's go through the technicals. I just got done with a holiday party, but I'm like, I have got to report on this, got to get to the VIP. In terms of this, guys, we had a top-level formation at the 69,000, and bam, it was Austria pouring us to the downside along with a secondary punch, bam, from China, absolutely, into this expanding wedge. Guys, we called the M-top formation. I was excited about that, the lead into this. Called this expanding wedge. Boom, this drop down into this. We're in another expanding wedge. I want to talk about one differentiation I'm seeing and why we're seeing it. If you guys pay attention for a few minutes, I think you'll learn something. So as we talk about the expanding wedge formation, absolutely. And guys, this is London with Crypto Kingdom of Bitcoin Spike. We've been around for a bit. Appreciate having you and the VIPs excited, guys. Yesterday, a lot of people got smoked out on that. Potential bull flag. We caught it in the back. We saw the technical deficit. If you guys are not members, guys, you're probably wasting your money. So by not being members, excited to have the base campers and the VIP in action. In terms of this support resistance, we are repeating that support resistance. However, there's a caveat. Look at the green line, guys. That's your 200-day moving average. If I'm to remove these expanding features in terms of that wedge formation, look at that beautiful dive that we're getting straight down into that 200-day moving average. I want to bring to your attention, I'd say this, guys, look at this. A 200-day moving average did not hold in around that $40,000 range previously, okay? Did not hold previously at that $45,000 range thereafter. So currently we're trying to achieve something that we haven't achieved thus far this year, okay? So in terms of the probabilities, in terms of, guys, technical analysis is looking at previous pricing behavior, applying it to the instant situation and trying to forecast the future as accurately as we can in line with the probability. So I'm going to bring that up to your attention. The one good news is that we seem to be just diving right down into that level. So, okay, we are focused on that level. That is the key level to play at right now in line with that expanding wedge formation. So a little bit of a contradiction, at least I'd say kind of a highlight that we're giving in terms of that moving average, which I brought to the attention of the VIP. I'm glad that we're just nose diving into it because that is exactly, guys, what we're looking at. So keep abreast of your information, your technicals. Do not get overexcited, guys, in terms of pricing. Don't get trigger happy. I'm just going to tell you, look at level 1, okay? Look at level 2. Level 1 across the top, level 2, then level 3. Just remain patient is what I'm going to tell you, guys. Patience is rewarded in this market. I want to shout out to the VIP last night in the back. We caught that bull flag, saw the deficits, did not trade heavily into it, guys. I'm still looking for a nice pattern formation. Potentially, we could see an inverse head and shoulders. Potentially, we could see an inverse head and shoulders from this area, but I'm still being patient. We've had a great year, great run up. I'm not about to start wasting profits on kind of overexcited moves for amateurs, guys. That's not the name of this ticket, guys. So this is London with Crypto Kingdom. When we do have more price action, I will bring it to you. Let's dive on into that EMA and let's see if we can go ahead and use that as, guys, if we can buck the trend, essentially is what we're going to have to do. If we can buck that trend, use it as support just right off the bat here would be impressive in light of this news, guys, from Russia. We can't control Austria, can't control China, can't control Russia. So let's see how it affects the market, the overall market. Also, Bank of England cannot be without note. Bank of England raised interest rates today. So the Fed was kind of maybe quasi-cooperative. Bank of England is saying we are raising rates. So we're going to see how all this plays out. And guys, we're excited about the future of crypto, irrespective of any geopolitical kind of stances or whatever kind of you don't call it FUD. It is international. Those are international events that are affecting the crypto market overall. So we're still strong participants, looking forward to a strong close of 2021 and a great 2022, guys, as London with Crypto Kingdom and Bitcoin Spike.